Hey, thanks for stopping by Tech Talk. My name's Ed. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to uninstall Microsoft Teams. Although it should be a little bit easier. Many times you're going to find that Teams does not show in the control panel. Let me show you real quick. If you type in control panel in a search and then hit control panel and go to programs and features, you're going to see that Microsoft Teams add-in for Microsoft Office is installed. But if you right click and you uninstall this, you're going to find that Microsoft Teams doesn't get uninstalled. And you might be wondering, well, let's go down here and uninstall Teams down here. It's not in the control panel at all. So what you need to do is come over here, either right here in the start flag, and then you can either see Teams right here, or you can type Teams up here, and you can right click and hit uninstall from here, or you can type in start typing programs and then add and remove programs. And this is probably the best method for me, because if you come up here and you type Teams, you're going to notice sometimes that you have two applications of Teams installed here and not one. But I'm going to go ahead and uninstall this one. So I'm going to click the three dots and then hit uninstall, and then hit uninstall again. And then you should see it disappear, and that's pretty much it. If this helps you, please consider at least hitting the thumbs up. I appreciate it. All right, have a great night or day, whenever you're watching this. All right, thanks for watching.